I love you. Greetings to you all. This video is with power supply comparisons where regulated and unregulated power supply units have been compared. In the unregulated power supply units, we will get the power supply as it is. So from the mains as it is we will get. So in this simple circuitry, durability will be there. Those are all the advantages. And if you see with the disadvantages, voltage variation will be there with the load current draw, and it is designed for fixed output current and voltage only. We can't change if it is unregulated. If there is any regulation is there, then only we can control the power output. Otherwise we can't control as per the service we need. Okay, so that only we have moved to regulated power supply. In regulated power supply, voltage is always consistent. It is available in high quality power supplies with noise filtering, adjustable output voltage or current, and precision tuning. The only disadvantage with it is it is complex and more expensive. That is what the disadvantage is. And if you see with unregulated power supply, we are having the four basic components: transformer, rectifier, filter, and bleeder resistor, which is the regulator. So this is in the previous video we have seen about this. If you see with the regulated power supply, we will be having the identical elements with one more element. That is, a linear regulated power supply is identical to the unregulated linear power supply, except that a three-terminal regulator which is used in the place of bleeder resistor. So in this we are having linear regulated power supply, switched regulated power supply, and battery regulated power supply. So in the linear regulated power supply, we are having safe and reliable output. It is used with small residual ripples, less noise, good line and load regulations, and it is stable. The linear regulated power supply is having the disadvantages of poor efficiency, large heat skins, large size and heavy, and these are all expensive. When we are moving to switched regulator power supply, it is of small size, lightweight, wide input voltage range, high efficiency, and less expensive when comparing to linear power supply. And the disadvantages it is having with the switched power supply, we are having to use the switch, some accessories has to be connected, and so it is having complex circuitry. Mains pollution will be there, higher noise will be there. And when we come for battery operated power supply, these are all portable, does not require on-site power. Disadvantage is fixed voltage input, short life, output voltage drops as energy reserves are used. So this is the comparison of power supplies, types of power supplies, through which we can decide which power supply unit we can use for our device. Thank you.